Hey guys, so today we have a small unboxing from SpeakCubeShop.com. So right here there are two Skewb mods. So the Skewb mods, this is the new Fisher Skewb by Moyu that just recently came out, and this is the Skewb Diamond. So let's go ahead and start off with this Skewb, Fisher Skewb. Alright, so as you can see you have Nathan Wilson right there, and Fisher Skewb box. These like the new transparent boxes are like what these Moyu cubes are coming in these days. And honestly, I'm more of a fan of the older ones. I don't really like these new boxes they're coming out with, but yeah. Here we go with the Fisher Skewb. So just to clear some things up with this puzzle, so this Fisher Skewb is not a Fisher cube and then that's skewed. It's a Skewb that is fissured. So if you know what a Fisher cube is, that's just a 3x3 that is where the middle is shifted over 45 degrees. So that's pretty much the same thing here. All the centers are shifted over 45 degrees. So instead of a center being here, the center is right here. So these edges on this puzzle right here are the centers, including this white and this yellow. So those are where the centers are. And here we go, turning. So first of all, this has like the frosted plastic and it's like really slippery. Turning is actually not that bad. It's very smooth, but like on every single sort of device there is like a small bump every time you turn it. See, okay, so this will shapeshift, and this seems pretty cool. I think it does solve exactly like a Skewb, so we should check that out. But first, let's just check some of this corner cutting. This corner cutting actually is really nice, you can see. And reverse just a little bit, but corner cutting is pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and scramble this up. Okay, so here you go. This is the cube fully scrambled. As you can see, it looks like a monstrosity of a puzzle, honestly. But if you look closely, like there's not that many pieces, so it doesn't look like too hard. If you look at it like a Skewb, it does not look extremely hard. So before I solve this, I am gonna open up the second puzzle, so you guys don't have to go through this and then finally figure out what the other puzzle is. I'll do a solve on both of them after I unbox the other one. Alright, so here's the Skewb Diamond. This one is by Lan, and I got it in white plastic. So here we go. It's not that bad of like regular Lan box. And honestly, like Lan puzzles, like non-WCA puzzles, aren't that bad. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Okay, that looks pretty cool. So I'm guessing this black side right here, if you were to get the black plastic, this would be white. But okay, so turning it, you can definitely hear the ball bearings if you want to sound test. You can definitely hear the ball bearings inside, and really it's kind of weird because turning this right now, if you turn it like this, there's still a ball bearing that clicks and it just keeps on clicking like kind of every quarter and 3/4, but it doesn't click halfway. And there's a 3/4 and then it clicks full. So if you go back, it's full and then quarter, nothing at half, 3/4, full. And that's kind of the way the ball bearings work. I don't know why, but then you don't really turn it like this either. You kind of have to put it all the way across. That's how you turn it. So yeah, there you go. Corner cutting is really bad, but honestly, you're not gonna really speed solve this. Well, at least I'm not going to. Just solve this leisurely for fun. And still turning on one side, it still is pretty fast. There's like small like sandiness when you turn kind of fast. You can kind of feel like the sandiness, but then like the noise of the ball bearings is just really annoying right now. But let's go ahead and scramble this. Alright, so here we go. Here's the scrambled Skewb diamond. And let's go ahead and do a solve on this one and this one right here. I am going to start with this one, the Fisher Skewb, and I'll do this one second. Okay, so you have to solve one side first. So thinking that let's solve this blue side, white side, sorry. Okay, is that right? Yeah, okay. So it looks like this is already in, but like when you're solving a Skewb, you have to solve the opposite side. That's what I do. So white, and now I have these 4 edges for the Skewb. I go this, and then we do this. Okay, there we go. And we solve that, and you have these 2 sides done. Now you have this right here. This is the solved one. So this needs to come down like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. And now you have this one piece switched around. Okay, so I looked at some video examples of when people were solving this, and I just got like a parody. So there was like 2 different parodies. So once you finish that, usually when you solve the Skewb, it would be completely solved, because these right here would be no orientation, but these right here right now do have an orientation. So the 2 parodies would be, this one is flipped and another one right next to it would be flipped. So you either have 2 flipped, you have all 4 of these flipped, or you have just one of these flipped. So the way you would do this is you do the 3-cycle algorithm that we just did to solve these 3. You just do that with one that does not require a orientation. So this one and this white one right here this white or this yellow do not require an orientation. So if you were to do this, there you go. It is now solved. So if you guys want me to do a tutorial on this, comment down below, and I will definitely be making a tutorial on this puzzle. So now let's go ahead to the diamond Skewb. Alright, so starting off, okay, start with that red side right there. sorry, the red side, and then really at it. Okay. So now I have the red side and I have this purple side. Just need these two to switch. Okay, so from here we go like this. Go R, U prime, R prime, U prime. Does that do it? I just like mess it up. Oh, I think that did do it. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So now we have all these corners solved, and you use these like center pieces. Okay, so it looks like they, this one, that one. Alright, so now we need to put one of the cycles, one to the bottom, one to the left, one to the back. Then we do R, U prime, R prime, U prime. Do that a couple of times. Okay, so now you want to hold it like this, go. Alright, so there we go. Did that. Now we just do one more. So that goes bottom, this goes to the side, and the back, and you go. There you go. So there we go. We have the Skewb diamond now solved. So anyway, here you go. The Fisher Skewb and the Skewb diamond. Two very interesting non-WCA puzzles, and something I'm really gonna enjoy solving, and I bet it's just a great solving experience. So anyway, thank you guys all for watching. I'll be leaving a link to both of these in the description. If you want to buy them, buy it from that link. Also, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe. I recently just earned 100 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. I'm going to be making a video on that soon. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification to know every time one of my new videos come out, and I will see you all next time. Bye.